that as the CGPA is moving from 5 to 9, the package will be moving from the 1.5 to the 4.5. So we will consider it as a positive correlation between both the variable, that is CGPA and the package. And here CGPA will be our independent variable and the package will be our dependent variable. So in the next step we will build a linear regression model in which we will predict the package as per the student CGPA.
As we are done with the data cleaning part, and we can see that there is no null values in the data, and we have two columns, that is CGPA and package, and by this we can clearly see that there is a correlation between the package and the CGPA. The student who is getting a higher CGPA is getting the higher package than those who are getting a lower CGPA. So for the next step we will do data pre-processing. In this step we will see the data. Like
in the pre-processing part, we will simply create two variable, that is x train and y train, and we will simply put a column, that is CGPA and package, under this. By doing this, we will simply relate that the x variable will be the independent variable and y variable will be dependent variable. So for doing this, we will pass a command that is 0.7% of the data on the training side, means that the 70% of data on the training side and the remaining 30% will be on the testing sides. And the other one is random fit the data in the linear regression model. So it means that we are training and the testing part will be assigned to a linear regression model,
and then we move forward for getting the score of the linear regression model to show how efficient our linear regression model, and then we can conclude the interest.
Hey folks, welcome back to the Analyst Lens. So as we earlier discussed about the simple linear regression, the simple linear regression and multiple linear regression always have continuous data. It does not have any categorical data. And if we have any categorical data, we need to convert it into the continuous data. So I have already uploaded a video on this. You can watch that on my shorts list. So as we now clear about the simple linear regression and multiple linear regression, also about the difference between that. So now let's consider the example of multiple linear regression. The first one is you can use multiple linear regression to investigate the influence of various factors on health outcome, such as blood pressure, cholesterol or diabetes. For example, if I want to know how healthy a person is, so मैं क्या करूँगा, पहले उसका अलग अलग फैक्टर्स पे देखूंगा, लाइक उसका ब्लड प्रेशर कितना है, उसका कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल कितना है, उसकी डायबिटीज़ लेवल कितना है, whether a person have sugar or not. So these are the parameters on which I investigate in order to know the real health, or we can say that how healthy a person it is. So the second one is prediction of CO2 emission based on engine size and number of cylinders in a car. For example, अगर मुझे पता करना है कि which car is producing more CO2 in the environment, so I will investigate about the how many number of cylinders the car have, the size of the engine on which the CO2 emission is based. So here the dependent variable is CO2 emission and the independent variable is size of the engine and the number of cylinders a car have. So these are some of the common example of multiple linear regression, but if you are still confused about the simple and multiple linear regression, I will give you one more example. So let's consider we have two students, Ravi and Kishan, एंड हमें पता लगाना है कि रवि और किशन में से कौन सा वो स्टूडेंट है जो पढ़ने. सो एज वी कैन सी हियर 5 columns are given: state, profit, research and development expenditure, marketing expenditure and administrative expenditure, and department is in the company. The fourth one is marketing expenditure. We all know that the marketing is the advertisement of a product and services we need to sell, and the fourth one is the administrative expenditure. These are the So here is a simple visualization of what are the dependent and independent variable here, what we are going to use, like simple linear regression or multiple linear regression. So let's discuss about this. So here we have independent variable like plt.x label for setting the labels, like what are the name of the label, and plt.y label also we can give us the title like plt.title, and just. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel.